my lovely learners. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying your holidays a lot. Now, this is our learning time. I am your pre-prep teacher Faiza and this is our English class. Let's see what I have in English class for you. I have reinforcement. Reinforcement means that we are going to revise all the letters you have done before. It means A till G. We will revise all the letter and write all the letter like A till G. Come on everyone. Now we will move toward our book to do the reinforcement. Yes, my lovely learners, on this page we will write A till G, capital and small, both the letters. Come on everyone. First of all, we will write A, capital A, small a. B. What comes after A? B. Capital B, small b. A, B, then C. Capital C, small c. A, B, C. After C it comes D. Anyone tell me what is the sound of letter D? Can you tell me? D, D. D, D. Now revise with me. A, B, C, D, E. Very good. Make a standing line. Then two sleeping lines. It's letter E. How to make small e? Make a slant line and a curve. This is small e. F. Make a standing line and then two sleeping lines. This is capital F. Make a curve and a standing line. Then make a sleeping line. This is small f. How to write letter G? Make a semicircle. Stop here on the dot and then make a standing line. How to make a small g? Make a curve or a semicircle, then make a standing line and a small loop. This is how to write A till G. Now, on the next page, we have to write the first letter of the given picture. Come on everyone, tell me which picture is this? B, bag. B, bag. So, we will write B over here. Make a standing line. One curve. Second curve. Now, small b, make a standing line and a curve. This is B. B, bag. Come on everyone, tell me whose friend is this? This is the friend of letter C. C, cow. Okay, how to write letter C? Put the pencil on the dot. Make a curve or a semicircle and a small c. Make a semicircle in two lines. This is C. Okay, next we have the picture of grapes. G, grapes. Make a semicircle. Touch this line, touch the middle line and make a standing line. This is letter G. make a semicircle, standing line and a small curve. This is letter G. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is elephant. Elephant. How to write letter E? Make a standing line and three sleeping lines. This is capital E. And now I am going to write small e. Make a slant line and a curve. The last picture we have. Tell me, which picture is this? Fish. 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 F. It means this is the sound of F. Make a standing line and two sleeping lines. This is letter F. How to write small f? Make a small curve, standing line and a sleeping line. This is letter F. I have complete my reinforcement, my lovely learners. I hope you all have learned how to write A till G very well. You have to practice at home daily. Allah Hafiz.